Hello and welcome. You're tuned into Times Now. This is Live Wire with me, Poonam Burde. Let's begin this edition with some breaking news coming in. Big development in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Times Now has accessed Sushant Singh Rajput's handwritten notes. The diary pages that we have now accessed details his dreams, his aspirations and what he was thinking. This proof has now been accessed by your channel exclusively. This goes on to show that he was far from being depressed. The depression lobby has once again gotten a big blow. Arunil now joins us for more on this. So is Pranesh with us. Priyank also reporting from Delhi. Imran's also with us on this broadcast. But coming to you, Arunil, first, you've accessed these diary pages of Sushant Singh Rajput. They go on to show the mind of a brilliant person. He has so many aspirations, so many dreams, so many thoughts that he put pen to paper.
Well, these are exclusive excerpts from the diary of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Clearly a big blow to the suicide lobby, because here you can see in the diary pages as well, Sushant Singh Rajput is writing how to solve problems, and also he has kept happiness over success. So clearly showing happiness mattered to him more. Some of the points that he has written is bliss, courage, brilliance and divine, and also some notes from Kabir's poems have also been written over here. जब मैं था तब हरी नहीं, अब हरी है मैं नहीं. And basically his entire plan with respect to his future, he basically gave a lot of importance to his education, and to educate others as well. In that, NASA plus Sushant for education. This is one thing that he has mentioned. We know how Sushant Singh Rajput had sent some aspiring kids to NASA as well at his own expenses. So yes, he was an educationist. Also mentioning about it, several other plans over here of the late actor. So clearly the suicide lobby people who were claiming that he had committed suicide, it comes as a major blow. We have also spoken to many people who have been saying that he had ambitions to go to Hollywood as well. This is also clearly mentioned over here in these diaries, and his future plans with respect to being an educationist, being a tech expert as well, the two companies that he had started. There are some mentions of those two companies related to it as well in these diary pages. So clearly a big blow to those people who have been saying that he had committed suicide, because there are many who believe that he had very good ambitions. He had ambitions to reach Bollywood as well, and all was well in his career. Definitely it was well, and he couldn't commit suicide. He was in talks with several Bollywood directors, producers just before his death. So it clearly comes as a major blow to all those people who have been saying that he committed suicide.
Absolutely. Stay with us. Pranesh is also with us on this broadcast. Pranesh, could you take our viewers through what exactly these diary notings are?
Now our viewers would remember, Poonam, and so would you, that Times Now was the first channel to tell the country about Sushant's Hollywood ambition. Now here was a man who was full of life. He was a thinking individual. He had plans and he would pen it down. And another set of pages, these pages have been recovered from Sushant's farmhouse. And so the first question obviously is that why are the diary pages scattered? Who was behind this? Who's done this? But we'll come to that in a bit. But let's look at the pages and what it says. Now here is page 1 that we've accessed. How to solve problems. Just to add to what Arunil was saying, Sushant Singh Rajput wasn't the one running away from problems. He was taking them head on, whatever problems they could be, we don't know. And he was discussing and thinking how to solve problems. Look what else is written. Experience, analysis, happiness, success. Let's go to the next page. Here is talking about experience and analysis. In this one, this is the same. Here, there is a quote: the observer collapses the wave function of photons probability into certainty. That this is the double slit experiment. Then this is a Kabir ka doha, jab main tha tab hari nahi, ab hari hai main nahi. What you seek is seeking you, by Rumi. Reality doesn't exist until we mean it. And then another page here. Self-musings, artistically mathematical, geniuses, quirks, metaphors, Niti Aayog policies, UN peace climate, Look at the topics that this man was reading about, discussing, talking to with his friends. And there was a concerted effort by a certain section and by Team Ria to paint Sushant Singh as mentally stable. But now, with this documentary evidence, one can safely conclude that Sushant wasn't depressed.
Right.
And this is another nail to that suicide theory.
Absolutely. These are musings of the late actor. We do see that they're varied in nature. That he's noted several philosophers. He talks about his dreams, his aspirations. He also talks about quantum physics and what he wants to do with it. There are several key words that are part of these pages that we have now accessed here on Times Now, which point to the fact that he did have certain aspirations. He was working in that particular direction. Are these musings of somebody who wants to kill himself? That's the question that family of Sushant Singh Rajput, his millions of fans, will be asking tonight to all those people who did not even blink an eye when they called it suicide, ruled his death as suicide the day after he was found dead on the 14th of June. Pranesh, stay with us. Tamal's also with us now. Tamal, these diary notings that we've accessed here on Times Now also come in the backdrop of the fact that the AIMS report, which is going to come out in a couple of days, we know for a fact, we've gathered from our sources, that that report is going to be extremely conclusive. There is going to be no doubt in that particular report.
Well, that's right, Poonam. In fact, Pranesh would also agree. We have already broken this story much before, as how CBI was contemplating of doing a psychological autopsy. Now, psychological autopsy essentially gives out vital, psychiatric analysis, an analysis basis of such handwritten notes, diary notes, the lifestyle of a person, to understand whether a person was actually suffering from any kind of depression. And that's where this page of the diary becomes extremely crucial and significant. A person who is full of life, talking about life, has aspirational values and has penned down those aspirations, would only be indicating that when the psychological autopsy happens, and if and when it happens, it would only be indicating something positive about a person who possibly won't be resorting to committing suicide. Thus, all those who have been saying that he had committed suicide, such diary notes, which have also exposed in the past, will only indicate there is something more, much more than meets our eyes.
Absolutely. Stay with us. Former DGP of Uttar Pradesh, Vikram Singh, is also with us on the phone line. So thank you for speaking with us. In your career as a top cop there, you may have seen several such cases. Now, these notings that we have come across of Sushant Singh Rajput, they detail certain dreams, certain aspirations, his thinking. You can gauge how he thought from these notings. Do you think these notings are of somebody who was thinking about taking his life?
Absolutely. A diary is a very important window to the personality of the deceased, and a diary also is a very important piece of evidence as enjoined by various Supreme Court rulings. And indeed, it is a clear indication of how the mind was wired, what was his priorities in life and what were the horizons. And indeed, a very significant and a critical piece of evidence that is going to be used by the investigating agencies to get to the facts. Congratulations to the investigating agencies. And I'm sure this will shed so much of light that all the darkness that is said to be brought about by the vested interest will not succeed, because this diary is going to be of very crucial and critical importance.
Absolutely, Vikram Singh. It is, of course, a crucial piece of evidence in this entire case. This also comes just a few days before the AIMS forensic report is going to come out. We, from our sources, have gathered that the AIMS team is confident that the report that comes out in a couple of days is going to be conclusive, and there is going to be absolutely no ambiguity about what led to Sushant Singh Rajput's death.
Absolutely. The AIMS report will be not only be conclusive, but have greater authenticity. And of course, all the things shrouded in ambiguity, in doubt, will come to rest with an element of finality. And I'm sure this diary, as also the AIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences report, will have a far-reaching consequences on the investigation in a very positive manner.
Right, Vikram Singh, thank you so much for joining us here on this broadcast. It is just a matter of time before we find out what exactly happened. The truth behind SSR's death is going to be out soon. Imran's also with us on this broadcast. Now, Imran, this new piece of evidence, these diary notings that we have accessed here on Times Now are, of course, part of the CBI's investigation. This, coupled with the forensic report of the AIMS, is going to come as a huge blow to all those people who called this a suicide the minute they found out that Sushant Singh Rajput was dead.
Well, absolutely, Poonam. Just now you showed the diary pages, and even though he had near and dear ones, his fans all said that Sushant was so full of life that they could not believe that he was under depression and he committed suicide. Now, this diary notes clearly shows what Sushant was full of life. In fact, he wanted to be. He went even to NASA to for rehearse for his upcoming movie. But he was very much interested in science. He was talking about it, and you can from diary pages you can see he's talking about metaphysics, and he's talking about how writing poems, and also goes on to say how to look at larger positions and points about life. And this corroborates what his family members and his fans are saying, that this cannot be a case of suicide. Now we have to wait for some time where the AIIMS and will give a final conclusion about this, about the entire thing about suicide, Sushant Singh Rajput, where everybody is they're hopeful that that this is not a case of suicide, and what conclusive evidence we'll get, it will be a final nail in the coffin.
Absolutely. Stay with us. Forensic expert Dr. Dinesh Rao is also with us on this broadcast. So thank you for speaking with us. You've seen these diary notings of the late actor that we've accessed here. They talk about several philosophers. It talks about, his dreams, his aspirations, the kind of things he wants to do, the direction in which he wants to go. Your take on what really this indicates about a person?
What exactly we see is, possibly he had a free flow of thoughts, we say. So there are continuous flow of thoughts and the interrupted thoughts, overlapping thoughts. So that's what we can interpret based on the way he has been scribbled and the type of planning he has done, and that's what we can easily make out. Definitely, he was definitely under stress is one factor, plus free flow of thoughts, overlapping thoughts, interrupted thoughts. That's what we can make out based on the type of scribblings he has made, and he has struck those scribblings, and again he has rewritten. So, and new ideas, and new innovative ideas. So all these things clearly indicates a continuous flow of thoughts and overlapping thoughts.
Absolutely, Mr. Rao. Dr. Rao, thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Some would say these diary notings are the musings of a brilliant mind, somebody who could not have given killing himself even a thought. But that is what several people, the lobby really did jump to the conclusion that he did commit suicide. It's just a matter of time before the truth comes out of what exactly happened. I request my colleagues to stay with us. We're slipping into a very quick break here on this broadcast. Back with more updates on the other side. Stay with us.